Hello, everybody. It is currently 12:53 a.m., October 3rd, 2025. Today is, you can call it day two of working on the game, but I was only able to put in 20 minutes the other day. So I think it's kind of safe to say this is practically day one, right? So here's what we have so far for the game project right here. What I've gotten accomplished, day one, I pretty much just changed third person to first person because I'm completely new to Unreal Engine pretty much, and I went ahead and fixed that. And I added in today, basically, I added in the mannequin, I added in him randomly walking around, I added in him chasing you if you get within a certain radius, and I just went in, not following a tutorial, I finally figured out how to basically make it to where when he attacks you, it goes ahead and puts a little splatter on your screen. As you see, within a certain radius, he'll come up, he's going to chase me, and then when he attacks, it goes ahead and causes a little blood splatter on the screen, and it fades away after a bit of time, and then it will come back. So that's what we have now. Like I said, I'm still working on the core mechanics. I'm currently about to add in a gun, and then I will be giving both the bot and myself HP to where, we can start killing each other pretty much. But yeah, that's what we've accomplished so far. We, as in me right now at this moment in time. So yeah, that's what we got at the moment. So next thing, like I said, I'm gonna learn how to add in a gun. I'm gonna fix a couple animation things. So right now, there's a little issue too where you can as you see, that's kind of a problem. So we're gonna work on that a little bit. That's something I'm gonna finish next. And then, like I said, adding in a gun, adding in damage and HP values to where I can kill them, they can kill me. And yeah, I think after that's gonna be kind of focusing a little bit more. I'm gonna try to add in secondaries, and then we're gonna start building the maps and stuff out and importing models in. I don't know if I can build models. We'll see how good my Blender work is. I've never done anything in Blender really, so it'll be interesting, but I'll try and maybe model a gun or something. I don't know how hard that is. I'm assuming it's very, very difficult looking at prices on Fiverr. Like for if I want like a gun model, it's gonna be like $50 to $100 for like animations and stuff. So that's a little scary there. But yeah, that's what we have so far. Like I said, I probably put in hour and a half of work right now, maybe 2 hours tops. I think 2 hours is a little much. I'm pretty sure I've only been working on this for about an hour and a half. But yeah, things are looking good. We're going to keep the progress going as much as we can. And hopefully I can get the first level kind of sort of polished by the end of the month. It's a lot of work, and I have no experience and no skills, but with hard work and determination, blood, sweat, and tears, I'm going to make it happen. So hopefully you guys will stick around, and we'll see how much more progress we can make in the next 2 days, I'd say. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to update number 2. It is currently 3:51 p.m., October 3rd, 2025. I'm probably just going to put this one and the first video together. So, what's up again? But real quick, this is what I've accomplished. I've been working on it for about another, I woke up at like 2, so I guess about 2 hours now. Basically, what I've gone in and done is I fixed the spinal issue. I gave a skin to the enemy. I added in damage values and added in a gun and worked on the animations a little bit. So I am using preset ones, so bear that in mind. I'm not like, this wasn't all custom necessarily. So, as you see, we now have a gun. I added a crosshair on the screen. Right now I have tracers. This is mainly just for testing purposes. We gave him a little skin. There's our guy. His animation does not match his model at all. Let's get him to trigger a chase real quick. I do want to make his cone a bit bigger. So as you see, and now it does damage. Like I said, I have the strings up there just for like testing purposes. So we also have it to now you lean forward, so you can't really go into yourself. I think it's F8, is it? Yeah. So you now like lean forward. I kind of just adjusted the spinal thing. It's a little janky-ish, but that's something. And then also when I lean back now, same kind of dealio. my spine actually bends instead of like me just my head clipping through everything. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if I showed the cases. We have a flashlight. I think the next steps is honestly going to be I want to code in other guns next. I want to start probably, I think it's called skyboxing, where I basically take like this kind of texture and I just start making a rough map of everything. I think that's going to kind of be the next steps going forward. Right now, I can only do damage to him. He can't do damage to me. So I kind of want to change that. And I also want to make the hit effects. So I hit him, it does like a little spurt of blood or something, you know, kind of like a visual damage indicator, because I'm not going to have actual like health bars or anything. Maybe for like our player, we'll give him a health bar. But I'll probably end up handling UI last. I'm probably just going to use print strings for all the stats at the moment in time, just for that's just how I prefer to have it. UI last, make everything pretty all later, you know. But yeah, as you see, pretty good progress, all things considered. Like I said, we fixed the spinal issue, added in a gun, added in bullets, which was something, added in damage, added in the skin, and yeah, pretty good progress there. Like I said, for just about another 2 hours of work, I'm learning very, very quickly. Like, I've been working with Unreal before, and I was struggling so hard, and then I ended up just taking like it's been like a 2-3 year break, I think. And now I don't know what it is. I just find it kind of easy. I mean, granted, I am following tutorials, but I've been figuring out a lot of the stuff on my own. Like, the bullet thing, they gave me like the tracer, but I learned myself how to basically have the bullet hit the target and do damage. Like, I didn't follow any YouTube tutorial for that part. Like, that was me. Same thing with like the blood effect on the screen when the enemy like goes to attack you and it hits you. I did that too. I mean, not that that's anything like special, but kind of like learning that, you know? Now, granted, that's probably, if I followed a tutorial, I could have figured this out, because that took me a really long time to get the math right. Because, like, my code here was like, yeah, I think I messed something up. Oh, I put my do once in the wrong section, so it was blocking all of my code. And I was like, what am I doing wrong? So I finally figured out that I put it on the wrong part. That took me a lot longer than it should have. And I know my code is very, very inefficient just because I don't truly know what I'm doing. But we're going to do the best we can. So yeah, like I said, moving forward, what I want to do is I kind of want to make a wave spawner. Like I said, a couple things. So one is probably start skyboxing a little bit. 2, I want to make it to where they respawn. 3, I want to make it to where he does damage back to me. I also want a hit effect, so I hit him, a little blood comes out, a little blood spatter, right? I don't really know what else. I'm gonna be working quite a bit these next couple days. Like, it's Friday. I literally work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, back to back between both of my jobs, and I only will get like 5 hours of sleep total for like all 3 of these upcoming days: Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I work Monday as well, I think. So I'm literally gonna get 5 hours of sleep between all of those days. Yeah. So that's probably gonna be all my work for this week, guys. But yeah, things are looking good. Things are looking good. I'm feeling it, you know. I'm feeling it. I'm very excited for my plans going forward, and I hope you all will watch. You know, maybe I'll even drop like a little I think I want to try and do like a little Patreon or donation thing where anyone who donates to me will get the game like basically for free. So the game I want, if I can get it up to the level I want it to be, probably I want to release it for about $20. But if like someone donated like $5 early phase, I'd probably give them like the key for free. I'll work things out later, but hopefully you guys stick around and see what's up in the future.